to Crawl for the Cure 2026. This is our 22nd year and we're really glad to have you guys here. Woo!
Go Sam! Will it get me again? Maybe. Alright. Just like it. There it is. Got him. It's a trap.
What the hell?
The WJ Slayer gets me every time. That was either going to be the definition of insanity or persistence pays off. Woo, persistence. Well, we came back from the first day of the crawl a little bit early. Sam, what do we have going on with yours?
Well, the alternator decided it didn't want to work anymore. That and the starter isn't happy either, so. Cross
our fingers, put an alternator in it, get that one going. And my fan sounds like it's about to try and fight its way out from behind the radiator. So we're gonna get that pulled out. Got some more work to do so we can get back out on the trail. Okay, Sam just got back from a trip up to O'Reilly, got himself an alternator. Look at that shiny new alternator in there, isn't that pretty? How's it run now?
Way better.
Dug out a whole bunch of mud out of this one. You can see all the mud down there. Now the fan doesn't shake the whole vehicle anymore. We're smooth, we're ready to go. Let's go hit it again.
Bet you he's nice and dry in there. It's hailing now. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the hail on the ground.
Oh my goodness.
It's a little bit wet.
Yeah.
Well, how'd it go, Megan?
It was good until it started raining.
You look a little dirty.
A little dirty, a little wet.
You look a little dirty too, Sam.
Yeah, the rain got us. I'm sitting in a pool of water. Good times.
Having fun?
So much fun.
Okay, day 2 of the crawl. We're gonna do the MMT. Frenchie's gonna lead this on us. He led us yesterday until we had a couple mechanical issues, right, Sam? What do you think MMT, Frenchie?
Yeah, it's a fun run. Hopefully we can power run this without any incidents. But I think about 4 hours to get there and back, and as long as we don't run any big crowds on the way in as they're coming in, then we should be able to kill it today. Get back in time for lunch.
Heck yeah. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. Should be a good run. Thanks, Frenchie.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Nom nom.
Are you not entertained?
Oh, hey, Dad.
Well, we're out on the MMT, and the MMT always provides some entertainment. So John managed to find a way to break his front leaf spring mount. Snapped it clean off the frame here, so it was just kind of flopping a little bit as he was trying to come up this nice big ledge. So, and Frenchie, we're gonna use your welder again.
Yes.
This Carnage welder saved us last year, saving us this year. You already used it yesterday.
It's the best purchase I ever made, yet I don't know how to weld.
I think it's a
But
greatest
I always
placebo
know a
ever.
guy.
So we're gonna get some weld on this, get this thing held back together, and get back on the trail.
I think he's done.
We just got done with the MMT. You showed me something I've never seen before, Sam. I've never seen anybody wheel their way out of a trail with the hood completely wide open. Nice job.
Thanks.
Why were you doing that?
Well, I'm just having heat soak issues again, and it's not starting once it dies after it heat soaks. So I was like, you know what? I'll just finish the trail with the hood up and drive blind, and it seemed to work. So
Got us out of the trail, so that's what's important. Seems to be doing well now. So that was another good day on the MMT. Thanks, Frenchie. Okay, guys, so we just got done with the banquet and the raffle at the Crawl for the Cure. Here with Dave Lear. Dave, you guys did a fantastic job as always.
Thanks.
How many years have you guys been doing the Crawl for the Cure?
22 years.
And how much money have you guys raised?
Now about $1.865 million.
And it's a staple in Minnesota. I mean, everybody wants to go to the crawl. It's kind of the go-to event. It's really awesome.
Yeah.
You guys do a fantastic job.
Thanks.
And what did you guys raise for funds this year?
About $65,000.
Which is just absolutely awesome.
Yeah,
the
thanks.
generosity of people. And you guys, all the volunteers, you guys do a fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate everything that you guys do.
Well, we appreciate you guys and all of our sponsors, and you guys have been helping us for years, so thank you so much.
Well, thanks, Dave.
Yeah, thanks, Darren.
And we'll see you next year.
All right, thanks, guys.